Ever thought physics was just a bunch of boring equations from school? Well, think again. Physics is literally everywhere, shaping every moment of your day, even if you don't notice it. Let's kick things off with gravity. Every time I drop my phone, yeah, it happens more than I'd like. Gravity's the reason it falls instead of floating away. It keeps us grounded, controls the motion of planets, keeps life on Earth from turning into total chaos. Now, motion. Walking to the fridge, chilling on the couch. Newton's laws are in play. Ever slam on the brakes in a car and feel yourself lurch forward? That's inertia. Newton's first law in action. Friction is another unsung hero. It's why I don't slip when I walk. It's why cars can stop when I hit the brakes. Without friction, daily life would be a wipeout. Literally. Ever used a microwave? Thank physics for your hot leftovers. Microwaves use electromagnetic waves to make water molecules in your food vibrate, which heats things up. That's wave theory and electromagnetism at work. Light and optics, they're everywhere. The colors I see. How my glasses help me read. Optics shape how I experience the world. Even my phone's camera relies on the principles of light. Electricity is a big one. It powers lights. It powers computers. It powers this video you're watching right now. The science of electromagnetism explains how electric currents flow and how we generate power. Imagine a day without electricity. Not fun. Thermodynamics keeps my fridge cold. Thermodynamics keeps my coffee hot. It's all about how heat moves and energy is conserved. Physics is behind how airplanes fly. Physics explains how music sounds. Physics even makes magnets stick to your fridge. It's in sports, in medicine, in cooking, in renewable energy, in special effects in movies. So next time you flick a light switch, or cook breakfast, or binge watch a show, remember, physics is right there, making it all possible. If you found these hidden truths about physics as mind-blowing as I do, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome science content. See you next time.